Hey there, homeowners of Cumbria. Are you tired of dealing with roofing issues and looking for a reliable solution? And the beautiful Lake District? We know how important it is to have a sturdy roof over your head in such a picturesque place. Looking for the best roofing solution that combines quality and durability? Look no further than Miller's Roofing, your local experts in all things roofing. Based right here in Cumbria, Miller's Roofing covers all of the Lake District in West Cumbria. We are your neighbours, and we understand the unique roofing needs of this area. We're experts in all types of roofing, tile roofs, slate roofs, and especially our specialty random slate roofs. But that's not all. We offer a wide range of services to meet all your roofing needs. Our skills extend to heritage slate roofing and the prestigious Westmoreland green slate roofs. These are not just roofs. They are a part of our heritage and history. We take pride in our craftsmanship, ensuring that every roof we touch stands the test of time. Need more? Our team is dedicated to providing the highest quality service. We also excel in lead work, roof repairs, and full roof replacements. No job is too big or too small for us. Whether it's a minor fix or a complete overhaul, Miller's Roofing has got you covered. Let's talk flat roofs. We have solutions for every type of roof. Our Firestone rubber flat roofs are not just durable but also energy efficient, weather resistant and environmentally friendly. They are designed to last and save you money in the long run. It's the flat roofing solution you never knew you needed, perfect for modern homes and businesses alike. And it doesn't stop at roofs. We offer a complete range of services to enhance the exterior of your home. We install UPVC fascias, soffits and guttering to ensure a complete polished look for your home. Got questions? Our team is always here to help. We also offer conservatory warm roofs, providing excellent insulation, reducing energy bills, and enhancing the comfort of your home. It's a great way to make your conservatory usable all year round. Shoot us an email at info@millersroofing.co.uk. We're always ready to assist you with any inquiries or concerns. Remember, we are a trusted company, Miller's Roofing Services Limited. Our reputation is built on trust and quality. So, for expert roofing services you can trust, choose Miller's Roofing. We guarantee satisfaction with every project, where quality meets reliability right here in Cumbria. We are proud to serve our community with the best roofing solutions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you next time. Stay safe and keep your roof in top condition with Miller's Roofing.